Stop scaring the people.
No.
Sophie! Welcome to Wildcard Wednesday!
Yay!
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Sophie.
So,
Madison couldn't join us.
yeah. So today we thought that it would be fun to do how animals eat their food.
Yum.
So we're gonna do that for you. Here we
Here we
go!
Mine.
So we hope you enjoyed the video.
Please give it a big thumbs up.
And like subscribe.
Be sure to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Subscribe.
And check out our links down in the description below. We post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll see you next week.
On Wildcard Wednesday.
Yay!
Yay!